Hello, I'm Hideaki Sato from Restaurant Tabi Central. Today I would like to show you how to make the peach compote jelly and fresh lychee. Main ingredients is fresh lychee and fresh peach and some herbs. Okay. Now I cut the peach. We don't need peel, just cut half like this. Actually, the skin have more flavor, so please keep the skin. Just to take out like this and take out seed. Then I cut the lemongrass just roughly, no need to cut very small. And lime. And later we use roselle and Thai basil. Next we put the all ingredients in the vacuum pack. First water and sugar and white wine and all mix. Then put all liquid in the vacuum pack. Then the peach already cut and 2 slices of lime and the lemongrass and the Thai basil, just cut a bit, and also roselle, rock sunflower. Then I vacuum this. Sous vide cook is, I think, good for the fruits because we can keep the flavor, fragrance in the vacuum pack. And then we steam this one. (95 degrees). Around 15 minutes. So 15 minutes we can get the peach compote. We need to cook the completely, so depend on the size of the peach, sometimes we need to cook more or less. Next, soak gelatin in the ice water until the gelatin gets soft. Next, we take out the peach from vacuum pack. Actually, after cook, keep 1 day or 2 days better. Taste is more get evenly. Once gelatin gets soft, please take out gelatin and remove the water. And we heat up this liquid. No need to heat up all. I want to keep the freshness of the herbal flavor. So 1/3 heat up and then melt gelatin and put gelatin in it. Once gelatin melted, turn off the heat and mix with the cold liquid and put it down on the ice bath. Cool down jelly. Then once get thicker, put in the container and keep it in the fridge. Once jelly is set, we are ready to plating. First, we cut peach. Actually, after cook, very easy to take out the skin. Then, from skin, we can get this flavor and also nice color. Cut this size, and also fresh lychee. Then, after peel, they cut the fresh lychee. Now, good season for lychee. Okay. And once we cut the lychee and the peach, this is yogurt. Any kind of yogurt, it's okay. Just sweet one or not sweet one, it's okay. Just 1 spoon of yogurt underneath, and the peach and the herbal jelly. Just scoop and keep texture on the peach, and also fresh lychee. The fresh lychee on the top, and some small leaf of Thai basil. So this is peach compote and herbal jelly and fresh lychee.